Hello everybody and welcome to my channel DTWJ Life. Hope you're all having a great day. This is Jen and I am doing a read for the readers. Okay, I have 9 favorite readers on my list right now that I'm going to be going on with in separate videos, this way it's easier instead of time stamping. Because it's going to be my birthday soon. Yeah, and as a Cancer, I feel naturally inclined to be a giver. Um, so, yeah, I'm going to start with Danny with Apuchee Tarot. Yeah, you. That's right. I hope this video reaches you well. If it does, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll try to hunt down your email and send it to you. Because I'm like that. Anywho's, how you doing? It's going to be like a general thing. And I want to do this because, I feel like, we're all a community here, and like Danny had said in her video, and I totally feel that too, is we're not in competition. We should be supporting each other. All right, so I'm going to ask a few questions. The first question is Danny with Apuchee Tarot the real deal? Yes. When it comes up right, yes. Don't worry, I'll get to it. Understood. 2 clarifiers on it as well. It's needed. Yes, Danny, you're the real deal because you will that to be, and Spirit is guiding you. You're seeing your self-worth, your worth for who you are. Amazing. I love it. Clarifying that is you've picked up the rights to this. The torch is essentially being given the rights to something or picking the rights up to something, right? Yeah, picking up the rights to something. You've done this already. And you have Saturn here, so that's your work. Number 6, Spirit. Pluto here as well, which means you have done it quite suddenly. You were guided to by Spirit. Duh, this is a Spirit card. Of course you were. Right? This just confirms it. Second clarifier is a little bit confusing to me, Danny. I'm not sure why. I don't know what's going on here. But there's like something going on with your communication that might be off-putting to some people. Okay? Because you have Mercury inverted, hun. And this does pertain to your work because you got Saturn here. So I'm not sure if like you care about that or not, but that's what this card is saying, basically. This is like the World card, or the Wheel of Fortune. Right now you're a little bit at the bottom of it, so if you're doing well at the bottom of it, just imagine how well you'd be doing when it turns around this way. Alright? Not bad. I like that. You are the real deal. Most awesome. I'm staying subscribed, by the way. I'm gonna try that again. Sorry. I didn't ask. Oops. What is Danny's future looking like? Oh, okay. One clarifier for it. Your future is fate and change inverted coming in tenfold. You're not going to be dealing with being judged by anybody in court or otherwise. But it does say, excuse me, I am controlling the uncontrollable. Do not be ignorant of me. Be on your guard. So while you may not be tried per se, you may have somebody who's kind of on your hump about something. Spirit card, it may be an ancestor or guardian or a guide trying to talk to you. But you're coming out victorious because you have quite a lot of ambition. When you see something wrong, you have the ambition to change it. So that's the good news. I just want to draw up a conclusion for you, though. And this can either be, for July or a timeless read. Take it as you will, okay? I love it. That is quite beautiful. Danny, I love it. Ah! That's quite beautiful. Yeah, just one clarifier for the conclusion. Okay. This is how people are going to see you, as somebody who's quite fiery, passionate. Also, number 3, compassionate. A compassionate being. This has to do with your work, conjuncting with your sun sign. I believe you're a Taurus. Okay, young lady. You communicate like an earth sign, so I believe you are. This is you. This is how people see you as the conclusion. They see you as a beacon of hope, right? Somebody who gives hope. I see you that way too, so it is true, and it's coming out in cards. Reason you're like that. Your divine masculine guidance is helping you to get there. So, whatever you do in the near future, right? Pay attention to why fate and change is inverted. Okay? Let your guides come through. Commune with them as long as you need to about that particular issue. And if you want any further guidance on this, check out everything in the description of this video. If not, it's been good doing this reading for you. Much love, and blessed be.